Have you ever seen a rainbow stretch across the sky, born from a single swipe? Welcome back to the channel where we let the color tell the story. Today, I'm creating a vibrant rainbow pour on a 10 by 20 inch canvas that feels like it's alive. Started by preparing a sky blue background with white acrylic mixed with cell activator for a touch of magic. Then I started layering red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple in a 90-degree angle across the canvas. Piping technique involves gently pushing your poured colors with a tool or air to create stunning movement and reveal hidden cells. I was inspired by how rainbows appear out of storms, unexpected, bold, and breathtaking. This pour is all about capturing that energy. With the blow dryer, I pushed the colors across the canvas, letting them blend naturally into the background. As the cell activator worked, beautiful cells appeared within the rainbow, like sunlight catching raindrops. Watch closely. This is where the rainbow begins to dance. It's a reminder that even a simple tilt or swipe can shift your perspective and create something completely new. If this pour inspired you to see beauty and movement, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. And as always, stay creative and keep painting. Here's the final result, a rainbow seemingly spit across the sky, full of texture, light, and life. Every angle tells a different story.